Okay, man, I'm back, and I'm armed with a tool. We might give these a little tighten. They don't have to be super tight right now, but I'll give a little tighter than this later. Kind of cinch them down a little bit. Alrighty. Now, let's put the rest of the batteries on here. There you have it. Alright. Put this thing on here. Let me go one way. And to make the video shorter, we probably won't crank these. I don't know. Crank them down. Somebody's cooking in there and it's really smoky. It's making it hard for me to breathe. I don't know what they're burning. Maybe I should crank these down. I don't think you make these very tight. Just tight enough to hold. You don't have to put the Gorilla on them. Enough to hold the stack together. I think they don't off gas, but they have a little bit of sponge to them. I mean, compression, you know. They can expand a little bit. They don't have no off gas though. They really don't. I mean, it's not impossible for them to off gas, but they don't. But they just don't off gas. I'm not saying that they can't. If they're off gas, then you're really overcharging the crap out of them. But anyway, they don't off gas. Go on there now for my video. I need to hurry. We'll get bored. Oh my. Oh God. That's not cooperating. Now it is. I guess it's spinning. It's spinning on me. Okay, we got this part just about over with. Alright, now. Let's just finger tight these. I think that's about all I ever do. I don't crank them down real hard. Now, let's get our little plastic deals. Oh yeah, we gotta put this tab on the center. Put the tab in the center. And if I had video editing software, I could make good videos, but woo! Woo! We don't want that. Golly. Alright. Good thing that didn't do as bad as I thought it would. I mean, they say they can really flash. Evidently, the way that was doing it didn't. I should have been more careful. I'm trying to hurry for this video a little bit, and I have to be more careful. Okay. Now, I got two more of these plastic things. Is this video still going? Okay. Alrighty. Is that how I want that? Yeah, it is. Get my little short bus bar here, and we'll get it to holding this. The lead acid guys probably thumbed my video down. We're stuck in the past and we don't like change. We're afraid. We fear change. Okay. Fear change then. Lead acids suck. They really do. Waste of money. Waste of money. Done it. Been there, done that. Wasted my money. Lead acids. Well, that's what we had, I guess, at the time. I really didn't know about these for a while. There you have it. It is almost finished. Finished. It's almost finished. On 24-volt. We ought to take a meter and go do some checking. See how good this battery is. It probably came most of the way charged up. I'm sure he checked it and charged it and all that. Oh, he sent it to me. Oh, I got an extra bolt this time. Oh, Cletus says, sweet honey barbecue. That's what he says. Sweet honey barbecue. There you go, sweet honey barbecue. See, there's one battery. One big lithium battery. 60 amp hours each. So, let's see how many we got. 1, 2, that'd be 120. And 120 would be 240. And 240 and 100 would be 340 and 20, 360. 360 amp hours times 24 volts. I don't know. About 2 kilowatts maybe? I don't know. I can't do calculations like that in my head. 2,000 watt hours, something like that. What did I say? 80 amp hours, or 60. 6 times 6 is 36. 360 amp hours times 120. No, times 24 volts. Durr. 24. I don't know what that is. Had I calculate, I could tell you real quick. It's probably about 2 kilowatts, I bet. 360 times 2 would be 720 plus a 0. I don't know. I need a calculator. Anyway, these things go on here like this. It's a whole bunch of watt hours. For protection. And I can tell you this much. I'm going to have to put some cables on there, so wherever my cables go, this won't be. You know what I mean? Wherever the cables are, these won't be able to be there. Anyway, what was I gonna do? Oh, get my meter and check the voltages. Yes, that's the best part. We got all the hard part done. Now we want to look at the voltages. Look at the voltage. Let's see. We put it on 200 DC. This is the ground. Right there. From here to here, 4 volts. Y'all see that? It's going to be the same thing because these are hooked together. But, see, that was 4 volts to there. Oops, there, sorry. 4 volts. Right? And then over to here, 8 volts, right? And then it comes up here and goes across into here, 12 volts, right? And then over to here, 16 volts. Alright? And then up to here, 20 volts. And then over to here, 24.2 volts. So we can charge these up 25.1. So they're up pretty high. They got to charge. We can charge them up to 25.1. And I'll show y'all how to do that. I did get my EP Ever charge controller and an M150 monitor. So that'll be next. Tomorrow we'll put this thing on the there by the yellow top. So I'm not going to undo that system. I've got another inverter, another charge controller, and we're just going to make a whole nother system right beside this one, and we're going to hook it up to some new panels, and we're going to run that air conditioner on there. I'll show you how good it can do it. Just this one little pack, but I think I'm going to get a couple more. I think I'm going to like this. I should have just ordered them all 3 at once, huh? Well, I'll just order them. Alright, this video is coming to an end. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And till next time, signing off, over and out.